Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I have at least my final project share for the Flourish Maggie Holmes collection. I am still making more things because I haven't even made like embellished tags, and you guys already know me and my tags if you guys have been here for a while. But yeah, so I am going to make a couple more things, so you'll probably have a couple more shares, but at least for now, this is it. So last thing I'm going to show you guys are some little note cards that I made, and also like coin envelopes that I decorated and made. So I have them in here. You can get this from Daiso if you guys have one. It's $5, but I mean, yeah. So okay, so the first thing that I'm going to actually show you are just because I recently picked up the Happy Jig from Tuesday morning, which I showed you guys. I think I told you guys in my previous video I wasn't gonna grab it, but then I saw like some refills, like 2 bags of these refills, so I did pick it up for $12.99, but I just made the word hello just to test it out. These two are part of the We Are Memory Keepers Happy Jig. And then I also purchased on Amazon this pink one, which you can tell is a lot thicker, but it still moves and works with the board. And then this black one. This one's thinner, so I didn't even get the exact size. I didn't do that until I read the description, but they work. And I already have a lot of each one, so I'm not going to return it. And they work out, obviously. So those are how those turned out. And this is how the Happy Jig looks, in case you guys are wondering. I did break already like 4 of the little things that go in there, because I just was having a hard time taking them out. I don't know if you guys are having struggles with it, but I am. So yeah, that's that. And then I also altered a box. These were from the Target One Spot. They were $1 for these really cute boxes. And I just, the pink went perfect, the rose gold's perfect, and so I went ahead and decorated the front. The front just had like a heart, I think. And I used one of the bows that I made. This one didn't have pattern paper. But then I also put a large rose gold rhinestone. I used the bird ephemera piece. I did some stitching to adhere this tulle down. It's like a ruffled edge. And then use this Thankful. This is from some thickers. I think it's from a summer set. It might go towards one of the crepe paper collections. But yeah. I messed up because I cut the paper too short. I don't know what I was thinking. And then, so to kind of cover it up, I did all this coverage. But it turned out super cute. This bow was going to go on this side, but it just looked really cute to have it flow like this. So, and leave some of that paper showing. So that's how that turned out. Didn't do anything to the back, and now I could fill this with goodies when I want to send something to somebody's. And then now moving on to the envelopes. So what I did, let me see here. So I'm going to show you guys first the coin envelopes. The coin envelopes, I used the pocket punch board, which I also picked up from Tuesday morning. And these were way before I was doing my videos, so that's why you guys didn't see that in the haul. But these are how they turned out. So these are the smaller ones. I made 2 of each size. I don't remember the sizes I used exactly, but these washi tapes are just there temporarily. It was just so that way when I decorate, they stayed flat. But this is how this one looks. And you can do 3 different styles. I just did the one where it was just the basic coin envelope. There's this one. This is a Maggie Holmes sticker from a different collection. I just did some layering. And again, I did do the glitter. I don't know if you guys can see on this part. I only do it on some sections. But that's that. And then this is the laminated piece, just to add some sequins at the bottom. I adhere down there. And then these are the medium-sized ones I made. Just did a cluster on the top, stapled it, put sequins from a Maggie Holmes, I think Carousel. And I obviously struggled getting the sewing, but I did sew on the butterfly ephemera piece. Here's the back. Here's the other one. Try to keep these as simple as I could because they're just the envelopes, and so I'll be putting goodies inside. And then here are the larger ones. This first one I made like a shaker, but I did it with just some iridescent glitter and some of the very mini sea beads. I didn't want it to become too overwhelming. And then I finally used this large ephemera piece, and I hand cut or fussy cut these pieces and then put some sequins in the middle of the flowers to give them more dimension. And I put capture this moment on the bugs. And this is the larger size that I made. And then the last one is this one here. And then I used some of those stickers from Tuesday morning at the bottom. This one turned out super cute. I love how this one turned out. And then again, I did just a little bit of stitching around the ephemera piece. And then I think this actually should be in the middle of that. Oh no. I don't know how that moved, but yeah, so that's how that should be. And then again with the glitter, can you guys see it now? It's kind of shining. Super cute. Love how it turned out. Psych, that's a joke. I did have some more. So these are the mini note cards that I made. I used the Joann's little like gold note cards. I'll show you. Okay, so for some odd reason I can't find it, but it was a set of 6 cards, and you can get it from the $1.99 spot. I forgot the brand, but yeah, so I decorated those. And then for the cards, card fronts, I made it very simple. I used the dotted heart die to die cut matching cardstock for each of the cards, because each card has its own color scheme, just so that way we could write the name on there. And then the back of the envelopes, I just made, I didn't sew it onto the envelope. I just sewed a bunch of hearts, the smaller ones, and I put them on the back as closures. So this is the first one. And I hand stitched some of the pieces. This one here is layered. Here's the inside. So there's that one. This one I kept very simple. I don't know what happened here, why it's so far from the edge, but yeah, that happened. And I just used a large sticker. And these are small note cards, so I didn't really go too crazy on them. Alright, sorry guys, so Chris got home from the gym and then interrupted, and he didn't know I was recording. And then also I saw the kitchen and I just had to clean it. So anyway, I think I stopped with this one. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys, because now he's fixing up the garage and now I want to kind of do some laundry. I've been doing laundry all day yesterday, but just have a couple of things left over, like blankets and stuff. So here is this. Out of breath because I'm like trying to get stuff done. Here's this one. This one's super cute. I fussy cut all these pieces out, and then I used some of those stickers on there. This is a label sticker from the collection. Alright, and then last but not least, I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see all these. Oh my god, he's singing. He's out on the side. That's funny. Okay. And I love this one. I did add glitter again to all these pieces. Anyway, so he came in and interrupted. I can't do this. He just wanted to make sure Maui is with me, which he should know already that Maui's always with me and Toto is always somewhere else. Those are my dogs, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah, so there's that. And then that finishes my share for today. If you guys are interested in looking at the other project shares, I'll have those linked down below. And then I'll also have my Instagram and stuff linked down below if you guys are interested in seeing pictures. I probably will have a couple other project shares out sometime soon, maybe-ish, on other projects I'm gonna work on for this collection. But yeah, definitely want to swap. I can't believe how crazy, like, it's crazy how high the postage has gone up, because in December I sent out mail, and then January I sent out mail, and I'm like, wait, like, what the heck? Like, what happened to the price? Am I doing this right? So yeah, that's pretty crazy. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's share. Hope you guys aren't tired of seeing the shares too. I know you guys like seeing process videos and stuff, but sometimes it just takes way too long. But I will try to get some out there. But here they are. And I hope you guys enjoyed the share for today's projects. Again, keep an eye out for my videos. If you want to click that notification button, it's like the bell, definitely do that. Subscribe if you aren't. If you have been subscribed, thank you for the support, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a great day, whatever day it is, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.